Okay, huge haul just arrived, and I'm unboxing everything right now. If you want the links to anything you see, they're all in the description. Let's get into it.
Alright, back with another Pushing on a Budget. This time it's a watch. And this came in like the nicest packaging I think I've ever gotten. It's in this super nice box, like leather padded box. It also came with all of like the verification, I don't know what you would call that, if you need that. But came in super nice box. And there's the watch. I've already taken it out because I already wore it once because I loved it so much. But here's the watch. Really pretty gold face, gold everything. Closes like that. It came with a little tool to take the links out. I had to take a couple out, so it's very versatile. You can, any size arm could wear it most likely. And you just take these little bitty screws out and you can adjust it however. But it also came with this cute little tennis bracelet for free. I didn't know I was getting that one, but really pretty tennis bracelet if you want that too. So really nice seller. Came in super fast, super nice quality. That's what the back of it looks like. I don't know if that matters, but super cute Coach bags. Got all the Coach on it. Pretty gold, the little tag. Pretty blue strap, and it's got a pretty long strap. I just took it off. But it came all wrapped up nice. It came with a dust bag. And the inside is really big for this size purse. Pretty blue Coach there, and a pocket in the front. So again, this will be linked in my bio, and if you don't see it, just message me and I'll give you the seller information so that you can get this. It came in less than a week, so big props to this because they usually take like 5 weeks, 6 weeks to come in. So this is like really good, and you should check the seller. Alright, back with another bougie on a budget. This is from a seller, not from the Yellow app, so more expensive but better quality. So it just depends on what you want. But this is kind of a mixture between silver and gold, and it all is gold writing, everything. Big inside pocket, carry it like this, or it has the long strap. I wear it like this, but so it turns it into more of an everyday purse, but adorable. Came in a big box, has a dust bag, has the straps, so if you want to make it pretty and like sit it up somewhere, that's what the box looks like. But it'll be